Dash cams are super important, and I just got the best one. Now, if you guys are familiar with the super cool footage that people post where they show the road and then they show the inside of the car, most likely it was filmed on this camera. And obviously, I don't need another dash cam. I have this one and then I have two up front. But this is one that I've always wanted and I finally got my hands on it. The AZDOME M550. This thing's crazy. And then this is the camera that faces the inside of the car and you can like adjust it to point wherever you want. That's super cool. Okay, so I already turned it on because I want to figure out where to put it because I can't move my radar detector. It has got to stay there because my hard wire is just long enough to reach it. So it's either we put it here or we put it on this side. All right, boys, we got it set up. Look at this. So I actually put it right here. I think it's the perfect spot. I know people mount them down lower, but I want to be able to see like across my whole dash. So I put it there. And then you can see me pretty well and you can see my passenger. And if we get pulled over, you can see the cop right here. So that's cool. And I think it's better because I can control it really easy now. Now, I also did get a hardwire kit too, so we will hardwire this eventually, but we won't do that until I tell you some very special news that you won't find out until tomorrow. Which means I'll probably wait to install the rear camera because I have that one going right now. And once we hardwire, we're gonna have to reroute this anyways. And again, this is the M550. They're on Amazon, so just go ahead and pick one up if you want one. I think they're around $150, $170, but so worth it. But I'll see you guys next time. Drive safe.